Guys, look! Our barbecue time! So yummy, 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 yummy. Our fish is so soon. Our fish is here. We are in the rooftop. Sino oh, Darby. We're in the rooftop, guys. Look, Bella. Where's Ramis? Dada. Wait. See our ano. Hello. Nasa rooftop kami by Bila, guys. Oh, sa usawan.
Sarap ng barbecue Filipino.
First time.
We did not go Philippines.
Still eating Filipino food. Si Dada. Yummy si Madam, oh.
Yummy, yummy. Ami, di ka pumunta.
Ami, Liloisa, oh.
Chicken choila.
Oh, chicken choila, choila. And then here, the kids is here, oh. All pangka-pangkaw, guys. It's already dark. We are here. Sleep over in Bella Mansion. Now we are busy, guys. Oh. And then here we go.
And then for catch, right? Wow, like this?
Guys, oh. Barbecue time. Oh my God. See? Yummy, yummy.
Who is that full?
Sophia. What she eat?
Full from the French fries, maybe.
See, guys, oh. We're doing barbecue. Here, sikwa.
Oo naman, pawis na pawis talaga.
Because it's very dark, no electricity si all.
Bango. I can smell the
Yummy.
yummy this.
Smell yummy.
Share.
Imani, oh yeah.
Oy, Sophia, it's evening, no light. Later na, later.
You can lie down, you can relax. Yeah, very important pillow also, mommy.
What's that something there?
Okay, shall I
Didi, oy.
Oh, one round of pulutan is ready.
One round. Guys, oh, one round no pulutan. Ready na, may pulutan. Ha? Chutney. Guys, look! Nag-sleep over kami sa Bella Mansion. Oh, ayun guys, oh. Ngayon wala kami kuryente, guys. No electricity. Nasa bundok kami siya lala. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, chicken. Ito tawag dito sikwa. O ito, Nepali style. Tapos, Filipino style. O, di ba? Ma-identify mo talaga guys kasi...
Oh, nandito pa namin pulutan.
Oh, may pulo. Oh, may fish din kami, guys. Oh my God. Ang dami na yung pagkain. Dito yan laging Ben. Ayan. O, tapos ito, minarinate namin dito. Ito siya.
Ayaw niyo pumunta.
Ito, minarinate namin. O, Ami, Eloisa. Baka naman, halika na dito.
Doon na lang kami sa taas ngayon. Walang ilaw.
Tapos, nandoon si Ramis at saka Surin sa taas kasi nag-ano ready, oh. Isda, grill, tapos chicken, Filipino style, and Nepali style, plus
Makulay talaga mas
ano?
no?
French fries.
Ang buhay.
Ang ano, ingredients na Nepali, guys, oh, talagang imported talaga, guys. Oh, tingnan mo naman ang Filipino, guys. Oh, di ba? Ito lang ang ano.
Walang dugo. Ano ito, anemic?
Ito naman si Madam, busy sa kanyang ano, oh. French fries.
Anemic siya.
Nagluto pa kami, guys. No electricity. Oh my God, Nepal. Wake up. Wake up. No electricity, guys. Later we'll, ano. First time we will sleep over in Bella Mansion. Diba? O mamaya, guys, ipakita ko sa inyo. Mag-grill kami ng fish chicken. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Many ano ako, guys. Many grocery. We bought tomato. And then cucumber. And then this walnuts. Sophia like it, this one too much. Sophia favorite is walnut. Cabbage. Cauliflower. And then eggplant. Sarap ng ano guys, kibansa. Sarap mag tortang talong. Tapos Sophia ano, choco pie. And then oat milk. We'll try this one guys because in the morning my husband has too much of what they call this one. So oat milk. We'll try to buy oat milk. Give this one. And then vinegar. And then soy sauce. And then chili. Chili guys is for like malabuyok. And then I don't know what's this. In Nepali we call this gunrok. Like a small pumpkin. And then jam, Sophia, blueberry jam. My husband tried this one, guys. Noodles. 2 pieces of noodles. And then instant noodles. Kibansa? Asparagus. Asparagus na noodles, guys. Different type of noodles. Once in a blue moon lang guys, if we grocery, once in a blue moon we'll buy the noodles because I told them not allowed. You know what guys, this one, they can direct eat without cooking, direct and spicy. Here in Nepal, they are doing like that. That's it for my mini grocery. Yan guys, ang aking mini grocery. Aking mango guys, nandito pa berry and my bagoong is already finished guys. Thank you for watching. Be kind and be happy. Love you all. God bless. Cleaning tayo guys, cleaning. Grabe ka disaster. I don't know what is this. I think this is I think this is shake. This is cucumber or what? I think this is cucumber. Get cucumber in the mo. I think this is chili. Chili. Chili I need to transfer guys. I have a pot. I need to transfer the chili in the area. I don't know what's the, I think that is cucumber. I will transfer here. This is, I put already fertilizer dito. The other one, I just remove it. I need to throw this one guys. This one, guys, I think this is cucumber. Before I put in here, but I don't know. I just use my hands. Hopefully it will grow. This one is already, I put the fertilizer here. Hopefully it will grow. See, I have already one knockdown, guys. Keep it for out here. And then I have also a chili. I think I need to transfer. Ay, ala. It's broken now, guys. All broken. I utilize all the baldi. Ay, nako. This, guys, I will transfer because I will this one. I think this all the chili. Hopefully it will grow. Because as you know already, my husband is chili lover. You cannot live without chili, guys. You know that? Now I put in now, guys. We'll see the other one.
Sala, there is particular amount all you pick up.
Who will eat? You're not allowing to eat.
We can give no at least somebody.
Guys, look, I'm done. See, compare before and now. From here to there. Again, now the weather is, I think, going to rain, guys. See, look. Very dark the sky. I think from the other side, it's dark. From the mountain area, it's dark. I think it's raining coming. Now, this is my tomorrow garbage need to dispose. Now, as you saw already before, it's totally disaster. Now, it's at least it's okay. Now, not yet need that one, guys. You need to work out by this area, but at least now, thanks God, I'm done. Always busy. I spend time for this. And then here, I put the chili, guys. See? I transfer all the chili here. I have my lemongrass, again chili, and then chili, and then this, what is name? I forgot his name again. What's his name, be? Filipino, I forgot. Guyabano, and then our mint. Our mint is there. And then I found out, guys, it's growing my cucumber or pipino. I transfer in this area. My mobile is low but now, guys. Hopefully it will give me vegetables. You can compare before and after, guys. Now it's a little bit relaxing. If you see my garden, it's relaxing. Before, oh my God, I just did because it's a little bit tired, and then after I'm quite busy. That's why now it's okay. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. Be kind and be happy. I love you all.